The next exciting feature that our LIMS platform offers students is the portfolio section. This feature enables students to upload and organize their data, which can be really useful for keeping track of their progress. What's even better is that they can share their portfolio with selected faculty members. The portfolio section also serves as a communication channel between students and instructors. This means that students can discuss their portfolios with their instructors and get advice on best presenting their work. Here is a quick rundown of the excellent tools available in the portfolio section. So, first up, there's My Portfolio, where you can store all your work, assignments, projects, physical activities, and meditation info. Plus, you can share it with just the people you want to see it. Then, there's a tool called Shared with Me that's only available to faculty members. It lets them view all the portfolios they've received from students, courses, and other programs. You can also manage categories for your portfolios using portfolio categories. You may also add new categories by filling out these essential details and saving them to the LIMS system. This next tool is primarily for students using LIMS. If you need to chat with a faculty member about your portfolio, the Advising Portfolio tool is perfect for that. Plus, faculty members can keep private notes for future reference. Finally, remember to check out the settings and notifications screens where you can control all your preferences and view all the notifications you receive from chat and uploads by students and faculty members.